name is Hana. I'm 7 years old. Today we will talk about airplanes. So, airplanes are big or small. Some airplanes are so big they can be two football fields. And two football fields is 2 bedrooms, so it's really big. Some airplanes are just 1 football field, like that. So as you know, airplanes are many colors. They can be red and blue or yellow, and sometimes, as you see, always there can be white. White is the most important color. So, airplanes can fly high into the sky, maybe higher than the clouds. So airplanes can take people ever they wanted really fast. So you think train, airplane, and car. Which one is faster? Definitely the airplanes. Airplanes can move very fast. They can move faster than a train. You see, airplanes can fly so fast. It can fly so fast. So today we learn about the airplanes. So today we also will make a little airplane. Not the airplane we can go on, but an airplane we can fly it. Okay. First, this is an airplane. I made it myself. So this will be the airplane we made, but then we will get to decorate it. And because I didn't have time for decorating. So if we are done, we can decorate with colors. First, we need a paper because can I skip and then now fly it like this and then throw it? No, because it is not an airplane. It is just a paper. How can a paper fly? So we need to do all the steps. First, we take the paper, and then we take the long side, not this side, the long side, and then we fold it in half, like this. Like this. And then we squeeze it over. So, the second part, we open it up and we fold this side, okay, into here. We do it like this. And then we do the second part too. Next, we plug it out and then we fold it like this. Like a half, we do it before. Or we can do different. Second, we fold like down like this, like a mel. And we do a triangle again. We do 2 sides. We do 2 sides like this, and then we take this part, and then we flip it up like this. Now I have a big triangle and a small triangle. Next, we do it like this. Okay. Make an airplane like this. Wait, is it that do? Wait. Now we do the airplane like this. It's not straight. Okay. Do an airplane like this. And next we fold the wing. It's tricky. But we fold the wing down so it can fly. So what will it fly? On a carpet? Okay, let me just do the second part. And then we are done. Here's our airplane. This airplane is much different than this airplane. Look at the difference. See? This airplane is smooth. This airplane is like a heart. So now we will take our colors, and decorate it. So you can want it to be any kind. So I want mine to be a garden. So first we definitely need green. You take any green you want, and then we can decorate it with some vines. Come see. This is how we decorate it with vines. Vines can go any side or side. This is how we decorate it by vines. That is one color, and now I will do the second. Wait, okay. I will do this one too. Like vines coming from a tree. And now, wait, we need one more vine right there. Okay. Now let's change into this little bluey green. So we will do it right here. And all of the vines. Also at this part. Decorate it with vines. Like this. Or we can go out here. Decorate it with more nature. I think I will make more nature because a garden doesn't need to be nature. Okay. So now I will take a color, purpley pink, this color. And I will draw some flowers on the vine because a garden needs flower. Without a flower, how would it grow? Just vines, no pretty. I will draw 3. No, I will draw 2 each. And write one right there. So, and not just only purple, we can do it white and yellow and eye color. So next color I will be using is pink. Bright and flowery pink. Pink will always be the best color. Pink usually red roses and red many colors flowers. But I suppose pink is a good one to choose. Airplanes can fly high or low. Some airplanes are so high they can fly almost out of space. So now I use purple to decorate. So when we are done decorating, our airplane will be able to fly. Not fly out of space, but just fly high. Let me show you. We hold like this and then it will fly everywhere. So bye bye everyone. See you next time.